Hey friends, it's Brandan Robertson here, and I just wanted to come today to let you know that my forthcoming book, Queer and Christian, Reclaiming the Bible, Our Faith, and Our Place at the Table, is now available for pre-order wherever books are sold. This book is not just another book that goes through the 6 clobber passages and tells you that it's okay to be gay and Christian. I do address the 6 clobber passages, but the real heart behind this book is to move us from a mere affirming theology towards truly a queer vision of what Christian faith can look like. In this book, we explore how the Bible became an anti-LGBT text. We explore the stories of the queer saints that are in the pages of Scripture, and you might be surprised at just how many there are. And then I start looking at what it looks like to take queering as a lens of understanding biblical ethics and creating a sexual ethic, an ethic of relationships, an ethic of spirituality that can really benefit not just queer people, but indeed all people. So if you're a queer Christian, if you're an ally, if you're a progressive Christian, I believe this book has something for you. And pre-orders are really important to the success of the book. So if you're thinking about picking up a copy of this book, go ahead and pre-order it before it releases in May of 2025. I really appreciate your support, and I hope this book is a blessing to you and a blessing to all the people who engage with it.